Dr. Shaw, I have to give him credit. He came up with the original ideas. It catches some students that may not have finished high school and come on to the community college or gotten a college degree.
Because I thought it was a great career to get into and you can make some good money.
They're getting a 2-year jump start on everyone else. If they choose to add to their education, they got a 2-year jump start. If they choose to get into the field, it's a 2-year jump start.
It's pretty fun when you get to know the people and the opportunities you have and how much fun and the projects we make.
I was a first-generation college student myself, so I know that if somebody had not guided a pathway for me, I probably would have never done that on my own. So it's amazing to me to see these students to be able to get on that pathway and to see what they're going to be able to do.
Well, Alabama has something good going on as far as for the welders have an associate's degree. Not only that is that the kids have an opportunity not only just to weld, but possibly get into management one day, sales, engineering. I mean, the sky is the limit for this.
You all are living, walking proof that we can partner with people to prepare y'all today for your futures of tomorrow. Even if you don't go out to be welders, you have a trade and a skill set and hopefully an associate's degree that will allow you to be able to go into any pathway that you need to in your future tomorrow, but you got that preparation right here at Florence High School and Northwest-Shoals today.
All these certificates that they are being awarded today, they're embedded within our associate's degree program to give the students milestones of success along the way, to keep them and retain them in the program and keep them to completion.